and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month comes out every month. It includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. We also have 3 add-ons available to coordinate, and then it has more cardstock, more pattern paper, and more embellishments. So you can add 1, 2, or all 3 of those. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates, and it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. When you're a subscriber to the kits, we have lots of freebies that we give you. For one, you get a sample of gourmet coffee in your box, so you can brew that up and sip on it while you unpack your goodies or when you start creating with it. We also have a free exclusive cut file. This month is this flying kite with bows. It has the clouds and the kite, perfect for summertime scrapbooking. These are designed exclusively for our members by Cut to You. We also have 4 recipe cards that you can download that are for 4 double-page layouts. These are designed by our design team. They give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. We also have challenges over on the Facebook group and the blog and a free sketch there you can download. So be sure to get all of your goodies and join us over there. This month our 4 collections are Doodlebug Design, Color Me Crafty, 49 in Market, Glimmer and Glee, Bella Boulevard, Walking on Sunshine, and Simple Stories, Simple Vintage, Timeless Harmony. So we have a wide variety of styles this month, but all beautiful and ready to scrapbook all of your memories. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. First collection we're going to look at is Color Me Crafty by Doodlebug Design. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper, which is Photo Op, has all of the cameras and the different colors and prints. The back is a black polka dot on yellow. This paper is called Crafty Colors, and it's a wide stripe. And the back has all of the journal cut aparts. So we have some 3x4 and then 3x8s that you can do. I love this little quote here. And then we have the turquoise plaid design. This is Color Me Crafty. And the back is just all of the scrapbooking crafty icons that you can imagine and all of the different colors. So perfect to scrapbook your next retreat or cropping with friends or just being creative. Or you could even scrapbook about your favorite creators that you follow. For your embellishments, you're going to get a few of the puffy stickers, and then you're going to get a mixture of the floral and chit-chat bits and the odds and ends bits. So you can see there's a wide variety. Doodlebug packs their embellishment kits just overflowing, so you'll have a ton to play with. So that is Color Me Crafty from Doodlebug Design. Our next collection is Walking on Sunshine from Bella Boulevard. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Mediterranean cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Buzzin' and Bloomin', which is the little bee and the snail and the grasshopper with the flowers. The back is an orange plaid. We have this paper, Sprinkle of Sunshine, which is the rainbow and the clouds and the rainbow sun here. The back is a tone-on-tone blue polka dot. We have Rainbow Run, which is the diagonal stripe in all of the different colors, and then a white polka dot on green. So lots of fun, bright colors, perfect for summer, and our free cut file this month would look great with this collection. Your embellishments are going to be a mixture of the ephemera icons and the words, so these will vary among the kits, but this is what I got. You can expect something very similar. So that is Walking on Sunshine from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection is Glimmer and Glee from 49 in Market. This is a fun celebration collection. It could be birthday, baby, anything that you're celebrating. You're going to start with 2 sheets of quicksand. Your pattern paper is this one, Cheers. It has the hot air balloons and the mixed media background. The back is another background page with the layers of paper and frames. This paper is Toast, and it's all of this fun icing and confetti. The back is strips of paper and mixed media paint sprinkles. This paper is Revelry. which is has mixed media, but it's a play on the clouds and the kites and the outside, and it's just super cute. So this again would be perfect for your free cut file this month. And the back is a circle print in yellow on a ledger. So that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a fourth a pack of the laser cuts. So these will vary among the kits. This is the one that I got. It's super cute. And then you're also going to get some ephemera pieces. So those will vary as well, but you'll just get a few more embellishments in that. So that is Glimmer and Glee from 49th and Market. Our final collection is the Simple Story, Simple Vintage, Timeless Harmony. So this is just an everyday perfect collection. It could do heritage photos. It could be perfect for wedding photos. It's just gorgeous and great for so many different things. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. You're going to get this paper, Breathtaking, which are these breathtaking florals with the butterflies. We have a green gingham on the back. This paper is Cherished Moments, multicolored stripe. On the back is the brocade print and the brown and cream. Of this paper, Beautiful Life, which is this distressed wood. And a little bird here on the floral pieces. And the back is this gorgeous greenery print on the black. So this collection is just really striking. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam stickers. And then you'll also get some of the journal bits. So all of your embellishments will vary among this collection. But that is Simple Vintage, Timeless Harmony from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out all the other unboxing videos. I have a couple here links so that you can check those out. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We'd love to see you join in on the sketches, the Freaky Fast Friday challenge, the Kill a Kit challenge. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.